And next, we're off to Costa Rica for a coffee break. Costa Rica has a perfect climate for growing coffee. But the coffee plantations are less than perfect for some of the more colorful locals. Many tropical birds evolved with the dense rainforest that once dominated the region. But in the last century, Costa Rica cleared 2/3 of its forest to make way for coffee plantations and other farming. Surrounded by agriculture, the rainforest residents are feeling the squeeze. Big trees manage to linger in places that are difficult to log, shady, steep-banked river corridors. These ribbons of forest may be some birds' last resort. National Geographic grantee Cagan Sekercioglu and his team are studying whether these forest fragments are enough to save the birds, or if they too will go the way of the dodo.
Simply, if a bird is mobile, it has more options. It can go somewhere else if the conditions get worse. But most bird species are sedentary, they are very territorial, and they are not long-distance migrants. They cannot simply take off and go somewhere far away.
Cagan's team is studying these resident birds, investigating which species can adapt to life in the coffee plantations and which can only survive in the forest fragments. His team strings out mist nets in both habitats. As the morning progresses, they count their catch. Cagan attaches a tiny radio transmitter to a nightingale thrush's feathers. It weighs 1/50th of an ounce, but this featherweight technology provides some serious clues into the bird's life. The transmitter lets the team track the bird's daily routine, even if they can't always get the bird in their sights. The thrush spends time in the forest, but has hunts for food in the coffee plantations. Its movements tell Cagan that this species managed to adapt to life in this altered landscape. Or its cousin, the white-throated thrush. It's a very different story. These birds avoid the coffee plantations entirely, hiding out in the last fragments of forest. The white-throated thrush is only one of thousands of bird species that may go extinct in the next century.
In looking at all the factors, our best guess is 15% of birds may go extinct by 2100. But looking at the worst-case scenarios, up to 38% of bird species may be extinct by the end of the 21st century.
Reducing the human ecological footprint, both in the rainforest and beyond, may give birds the room they need to spread their wings.